Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Phonics class. In today's video, I will share you Jolly Phonics 42 letters and their sounds. I will show you actions and sounds of Group 1. Group 1 S-A-T-I-P-N. Now the first letter, the letter S. The letter A. Ah, 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 ah. The letter T. T, 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 T. The letter I. E, 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 E. The letter P. The letter N. Now the group 2. The group 2 is C-K-E-H-R-M-D. The sound of C and the sound of K, both the sounds are same. The C means it is a caterpillar C and K means it is a kinker. And C and K together makes one sound, that is K. And the action is the next sound, the letter E. E says eh, 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 eh. The next letter, the letter H. The next letter, the letter R. R makes different sound. The next letter, the letter M. The last letter of group 2 is the letter D. D, 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 D. Now group 3. Group 3 is G-O-U-L-F-B. Now the sound is G, that is the letter G. G says G, 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 G. The next letter is the letter O. On, off, 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 off. The letter U. A. The letter L. The letter F. The letter B. B, B, B. Group 4. Group 4, the first letter is letter A and I. Letter A and I is also called as digraph. And letter A and letter I makes a one sound. And the action is A, A, A. The next letter is the letter J. J, J, J. The next letter is O. Again O and A, that makes one sound, and this is also called as digraph. What is the action of O? O, O, O. The next letter is I and E. I and E makes again one sound. This is also called as digraph, and the action is I, I, I. The next letter is the letter EE. Again EE makes a one sound. This is also called as digraph, and the action is E, E, E. The next letter is, that is the last letter of group 4, R. You can't say R, you just say R, R. And the action is R, R, R. Now E and R comes together. What is the action? E, R, E, R, E, R, like that. Now group 5. The first letter is Z, says Z. Z, Z, Z. Now the next letter is W and the action is W, 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 W. The next letter is NG. NG makes again one sound. This is also called as digraph and the action is mm, mm, mm. The next letter is V. The next letter is U. Again there are two types of U in Jolly Phonics. One is a short U and the second is long U. Now what is the action of this letter? U. This is a short U. U. Long U. U. Short U. U. Long U. 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 Now the group number 6, the first letter is the letter Y and the action is Y, 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 Y. Now the next letter is X and the action is X, 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 X. The next letter is Ch. That makes again one sound. This is also called as digraph and the action is ch, 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 ch. Now the next letter is Sh. Sh, sh, sh. The next letter is the and th. This is a voiced the as well as you can say unvoiced the. The action is little bit different. The, th. Now the th. This is called the and th. Now, Jolly Phonics last group again that contains 6 sounds. So the first letter is Q and U. Q and U together called as qua and the action is qua, 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 qua. The next letter O and U again that makes one sound. This is also called as digraph and the action is ow, 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 ow. The next letter is O and I that makes one sound. I, 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 I. The next letter is U and E. Again this is called digraph that makes a one sound. U, U, U. The next letter is ER. ER that makes one sound. Er, er. And the last letter of Jolly Phonics that is AR says ah, 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 ah. I hope everyone liked this video. So this is Jolly Phonics 42 letters actions with sound.